If you've ever struggled with videos not fitting properly on different platforms, this tool is for you. It is best for resizing videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and adjusting them for different screens, devices, and aspect ratios for uploads, sharing, and presentations. Here's how simple it is to resize your video. In this tutorial, I will upload a video in 16:9 landscape format. Next, choose a preset size you prefer. Whether for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or other platforms, then decide whether you want to keep the full frame or fill the screen. Tips: use fill when you want the video to completely cover the target frame, but it will crop the edges. Use fit when you want to keep the entire video visible without losing any content, but it will add empty space. After that, start resizing the video. Once it's done, preview how it looks. Finally, download your resized video to your device. And that's it. The result is a perfectly formatted video ready for any platform. Resize your videos quickly and accurately with Video Resizer. Get the perfect fit for every video. Try it today.